Hey everybody, I just want to give you a quick update for tonight. A lot of things going on. There's a cold front that we already knew about that's coming through Pennsylvania right now. In central Pennsylvania, they reported thunder snow earlier. Now I'm seeing reports of it in New Jersey, and down into Maryland, up through parts of Delaware. So there's a lot of instability in the atmosphere, and also something that really was not modeled from days out. There is a low developing right off the Virginia coast right now that it's strengthening. I'm not sure how rapidly it's strengthening, but it is strengthening, and it's a discernible low. That is pretty far south compared to what we were thinking was going to happen just yesterday and even earlier today. Short range models still have Philadelphia in the 2 to 4 or 3 to 5 inch area. I called for 3 to 5 earlier today. I'm sticking with 3 to 5, but it could be more than that depending on how this low develops off the coast and how much in the way we get in the way of thunderstorms, thunder snow. Thunder snow can drop, you know, an inch of snow in 20 minutes. It could be very, very heavy. I saw some posts from Kevin Riley, who is a fantastic weatherman. He and Rob Framo have a page called Kevin and Rob's, I think it's Kevin and Rob's winter weather page. Check it out on Facebook. It's a really great source for weather information. And also Steve DiMartino, who is a meteorologist in this area. He's talking about now how that low is developing off the coast of Virginia and strengthening. The only thing I've been worried about, and I saw this posted by a few people, is there could be a zone that does get ripped off with snow because now you have two lows again, similar to what went on in January when we had that low in central Pennsylvania that robbed the coastal low, and we in Philadelphia were in between, so it was all dry air. I don't know where that rip-off zone is going to be. I think that as this coastal takes over and we do get the better dynamics, the thunder snow, the radar will fill in. They're getting absolutely clobbered right now down south and in D.C. area, Virginia, Maryland. They're getting hit pretty hard down there. So I think all that is going to rotate through eventually. Again, I'm sticking with 3 to 5 because I think that that's the most likely. There could be areas that see a little bit less, and there could be areas that see more. The other thing that we got to look at is to see if that Norland trough, the inverted trough, sets up and where it does. Now, yesterday in my video, I told you that it was going to develop near New York and northern New Jersey, but now it looks like it's going to set up further south. So I think that we're safely in that 3 to 5 inch area for Philadelphia. There is the potential for more. Depends on where the inverted trough sets up. Depends on how fast the coastal takes over. Depends on how much energy is there as the cold front comes through. I saw a place, somebody reported, I think in Fredericton, Virginia, or Maryland, I can't remember, Maryland, reported that they dropped 12 degrees in an hour. That's pretty amazing, considering that the temperatures were only in the 30s or high 20s. So we are seeing that cold front come through. It could get very, very bad outside tonight. Heavy winds, 30 to 40 miles an hour, probably 20 to 30 sustained, but definitely gusts past 50, close to 60. We will see blowing and drifting snow. 3 to 5 inches might look like or seem like a little bit, but when you have drifts, there could be drifts over a foot with that kind of snow. The wind chills are definitely going to be life-threatening. Power outages are going to happen all over the area, probably, if not widespread, moderately. So just make sure you have all your provisions ready. So this is a developing situation. There's no way to know exactly what's going to happen. There are things happening right now that have not been shown on models whatsoever. So, we have to take it step by step. We are going to get our snow. So if you're not seeing snow right now, don't worry. You're going to get some snow in the 3 to 5 inch range. We'll see if anybody gets lollipops of more than that. If that were to happen, I'm thinking it would probably be more northeast of us, probably towards New York City. But we'll kind of play it by ear. So thanks for checking in on my page. I really appreciate it. And stay safe, everybody. This one's a dangerous one. And then we'll have more videos coming for the Tuesday storm. That one, it's bouncing all over the models. Out to sea, going to come up the coast. I think it's coming up the coast. There's a good chance of it. So we'll just take one at a time. Be safe tonight.